So this is what an $8 million restaurant looks like. 8 mil. $8 million. Marvelous. Simply marvelous. Let's go take a walk around. See what 8 million bucks look like. There's basketball stars. Hey, how's it going? And a whole bunch of other famous people that live in this. Actually, there's a motel above here, and you see how they get ready to have an opening soon. But they have a little character going on. They have the pillars and all that stuff. It adds character to this style of building. As you can see, this is the bar area. This looks nice in here. And I like these lamps. These lamps look nice too. But this is only one part. We'll go check out the other part. And there's condominiums above here. And they are expensive. That's why there's a lot of basketball players and football players up here. So this $8 million restaurant, they had a meeting in there while I was cleaning the windows, right? And they said they were talking about what was on the menu. They're saying there will be no caviar or nothing like that because the restaurant's getting ready to open, but the T-bone steak, no, ribeye steak is $115. I mean, can you imagine eating a steak that's $115? And the fork, that steak better be big as heck. But you should have seen the steak knives they had, and man, it looked like a goddamn machete. That sucker was huge. So yeah, $115 steak. If it's that thick and big, yeah, you need a machete to cut into that, because that's exactly what it looked like was on the table with the forks. That steak, I ain't never seen a steak knife that big. Bottles of wine is like $400 to $500 a bottle, right? I ain't done yet. So they were talking about their guests, and apparently these people are servers, chefs, and things of that nature, right? So when it comes to seafood, oysters, and certain things, they handpick their stuff. They have to go to the market and they have to handpick the best ones. And if it doesn't look good, like the oysters they were talking about always change. They are not the same. So they literally would have to go to another source that day, all in preparation for preparing their guests for dinner. Because people make reservations and stuff, well, they will be making reservations. Above it is condominiums. I told you, football stars, basketball stars, and cyclists, gold medalists, all different kinds of people that got bucks, because that place is not cheap to live in. And he told me, do not get water on the tablecloths, do not hit the walls, watch the water you drop. I mean, they didn't want me doing too much in there or disturbing too much. So I had to really tread lightly. I was treading lightly, trust me. I had to watch my every move with them sticks poling inside there. Then I had to maneuver around people. It was a nightmare of a job. I spent about I think about 10 to 12 hours on that job. So I really lost money. What should have been over $800 to $1,000 to do that account. Cause trust me, the cleaning service that hired me, you best believe that they got some bucks. Especially if an $8 million restaurant that costs the bill. So the builder doesn't even like the cleaning people because they've been back 5 times. Initially, they were supposed to do the windows, and they didn't do a good job. Nothing was really scraped. And then he told me he was going to hire another company, but they never showed up. I wonder why. So who knows, man? But the builder said, I like you guys' work. I can see you guys are professionals. And he asked me for my card. He said, we build restaurants all over the city. And he was talking about a specific area he goes to, and that they have another account going. And I said, oh yeah, I used to work up there. He said, you travel all the way up there? I said, man, I go where the money is. And see, to some people like to hear that, because that means when they're doing business with you, you are without limits. So you will make sure that you can accommodate them. So I got a feeling this guy's going to call me. This guy's a builder. And as a small business owner and operator, it is wise to make friends with people who are builders and contractors. They will keep you busy. And it's like guaranteed work. You can literally write your own ticket. Not only can you get the initial cleaning of everything they do, but you can also get the account once it's open and in production. But I got to go into my night pizza job. This is Masters at Wagtail. And stay tuned. So if anyone understands, when you're taking a water pill, you cannot hold that back. We grown folks. And if you don't go, you will piss on yourself. I'm serious. It's like that commercial. Gotta go right now. Gotta go. So I'm getting ready to film this. I don't know what to expect, but we're going to check this out together. Now, I'm in Huntington Park in Philadelphia. So I was getting ready to go on the Schuylkill, but I was looking for a bathroom. I just didn't want to piss out on the street in public. You know, that ain't good. And when you're in the city, at least over here in Philadelphia, no one wants to let you use their bathroom. I guess that's a standard thing with businesses, unless it's like a McDonald's or something, but there was none around. So let me cross my fingers. Oh shit! God damn! At least this one don't stink. Look, at least this one don't stink like the other one. That other one was atrocious. Great Googa Mooga. Well, here it goes. Might as well go and get it over before I piss on myself. So, man, that thing didn't stink at all when I got in there. But as soon as I took a piss, all that stuff got released, man. It was funky in there. Woo, man. It was like Hall's Mentholyptus with vapor action. Man, it must have been vapor shit steam coming up when I was pissing, because I was staring it around as I was taking a leak. Oh my Lord. Oh, woo. It's intense in there. It is intense. That other one, I couldn't even take a leak. It was so trife that I couldn't even go. Unreal. I'm going to have to give Royal Flush a call. They're going to have to live up to their name and flush the royal heck out of that Mr. Bob. We got Mr. Bob, we got Johnny on the Spot, we got Royal Flush. Those are the 3 companies I've seen so far, and they all pretty shitty. Excuse my French. Phew. Let's turn this on, see how it works. So y'all don't hear anything except for the gurgling of the water. Yeah, I'm out of water. So I'm a good distance away. All right, so I'm gonna zoom in while I'm here just to show y'all, and then I'm gonna see if it works. Let me put the antenna up. Okay, so 133 feet. Bam! Here. So I'm gonna put my wireless backpack on this job for the first residential house I've ever done with it. I'm not going to be using any water fed. My pure water squeegee is still under construction as we speak. Not sure when it'll be ready, but just stay on the lookout for that. This is going to be the first prototype one. So let's get to work.